Hi guys, welcome back to the Performance Lab. Welcome to my first ever vlog. In this vlog I'm going to be working on calisthenics, trying to work up through basically the basic movements up to the more advanced ones. This vlog is basically going to take months if not years, so I'm going to use this as a motivator to stay regular with my training and also with uploading videos to YouTube, to my channel. A fair few months ago, basically last year in 2017, my wife bought me this book, Complete Calisthenics, and I thought it was high time that I actually started training in calisthenics. I'm going to work up through the progressions. Everybody's heard of exercises like the planche and the human flag, and you know, you can't help but admit that they are really cool movements, techniques, and I've always wanted to be able to do something like that. So with the aid of this book, I'm going to attempt to. Naturally, being a complete noob, there is absolutely no way that I could do a planche right now. It takes months, if not years, of dedicated practice to get there. But in this book, it contains all the step-by-step progressions from basic exercises, and then basically it builds up to that final. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, let's try again. Set time, 8 seconds, and start. Okay. The whole idea of these progressions is basically to build up requisite strength for each. Gonna just shut up. Just gonna shut up. And everything, and change set the time every time. Quite pleased with this. Try it from the side, yeah? See if it looks any good, or if I look like a complete mong. Right, there we go. That battery's surviving, which is cool. Next up is the half tuck lever. So get this up. Get that out of the way. Set time. Need to allow a couple of seconds to get into position. So 3 sets of 10. Wasn't too bad actually. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And one more set of 10 seconds. Yeah, I feel recovered by now. Cool. This could all go horribly wrong. Drop the head on. Might just count this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. That was interesting. Don't worry about that. Hopefully you'll be able to see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot harder than I anticipated. Ooh. Another 3 sets of that. 3 sets of 6 seconds. 11. Remember to warm up. I did, but I need to warm my shoulders up more. It's actually, yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's supposed to be one of the coldest nights of winter so far here in the UK. It's bloody freezing, but I don't know if it's the cold. Okay, battery's down. 2 more sets. Better get it over and done with before GoPro dies. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You feel really good doing this actually. Certainly makes the shoulders ache. Last one, wish me luck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's my first ever calisthenics workout. Yeah, that was different. Never done anything like that before, and it felt different. Yeah, normal bodyweight exercises have a different feel to them, but those movements, maybe it's because they were isometric and I've not done isometrics before, but yeah, it certainly felt different. It was fun to try actually. Yeah, I'm going to call it quits now, and hopefully yeah, record another vlog soon, and we'll see how we go. Okay, take it easy, have a good one, bye.